Welcome to Jamaica.
Can 863 and 926 exit Alpha, contact 1217. Golf Alpha Oscar 361, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots. When airborne, contact approach 1208. Good day.
208, clear takeoff, runway 07, Golf Alpha Oscar 361.
Tower, good morning. Southwest 272 is out of 4,500 on the LNP runway 7.
272, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue approach, Southwest 272.
Firm, clear to land, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, Southwest 272.
Tower Delta 2046, RNC runway 7.
Delta 2046, answer tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue Delta 2046.
Yeah, on time 05, exit Alpha, ground 1217.
Southwest 272.
Uh, 2046, clear to land 7, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, Delta 2046. Tower American 1349, approaching the same for the RNAV 7.
1349, tower, continue approach, you're following Delta Color Airbus 321, 6 miles final.
Continue American 1349. Tower, Spirit Wings 3779, RNP approach, runway 7.
On time is 10, exit high speed, ground 1217.
Speed 217, Delta 2046.
Spirit 379, continue approach, runway 07, you're following American colored, Boeing 738.
Duty approach, Spirit Wings 3779.
American 1349, clear to land 7, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear line on runway 07, American 1349. Say winds again.
060 degrees, 14 knots.
Thank you, sir.
3779, slow to minimum.
3779.
On time 13, exit on Bravo, ground 1217.
7 exit on Bravo, American 1349.
Spirit 3779, clear to land, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land runway 7, Spirit Wings 3779.
Tower, Allegiant 7006, over, you saying RMP, runway 7.
Allegiant 7006, answer tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue for runway 7, Allegiant 7006.
699 tower.
South Ravello 699, we're still holding short.
Yes, just be advised, the delay is due traffic, they're coming in close.
Ravello 699, roger.
Allegiant 7006, slow to minimum.
Approach speed, Allegiant 7006.
3779 on time 16, exit high speed, ground 1217.
3779.
Allegiant 7006, clear to land runway 07 and 060 degrees, 19 knots.
Runway 7, Allegiant 7006.
779 tower.
JetBlue 779, over Usain, RMP 07.
So it's slow to minimum, that's minimum, continue approach.
The minimum and continuing approach, JetBlue 779.
Allegiant 7006, your on time is 19er. Exit on Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo 121.7, Allegiant 7006.
2779, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 19 knots.
Clear land, runway 07, JetBlue 779.
Avella 699 behind the JetBlue color there, but 220 short final, line up behind.
Propeller 699 will line up and wait after the aircraft lands, is what I got out of that.
Want us to line up and wait right now?
Yes, I'm behind the JetBlue color, the Airbus 320 on a 3-mile final. Runway 07, line up behind.
Behind the JetBlue on a 3-mile final, Avelo 699.
JetBlue 779 on time 22, take it on the high speed, ground 1217.
High speed ground 217, JetBlue 779.
699, clear takeoff from wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, and airborne 1208. Good day.
Hello, 699, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Hello, 699, airborne 24, signs to approach 1208.
0.8 for Bellow 699.
V1 rotate.
November Alpha, clear takeoff from intersection Delta, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.